This is a Defiant electronic lock, and you can tell when the batteries are running low because you get a little yellow flash here, and also when you're locking it, it'll flash and beep. I'll show you how to replace the batteries. When you push this lock button, it flashes and beeps at the end with yellow. You know that means you need to replace your batteries. There are little push tabs on both sides that you'll squeeze to be able to pull this back cover off. There are 4 AA batteries, and they come out just like any other electronic device. The diagrams are on there to show you what direction to put them back in. We've noticed that these locks do tend to spin and loosen a little bit with a lot of use. And so while you're in here replacing the batteries, you might want to unscrew these 2 screws and tighten the ones underneath. That'll solve the problem. With everything straight the way you want it, just tighten these 2 screws, and they were loose. If this clip pops out, you can just press it back in. Just screw it back together. Before we put the cover back on, we do want to make sure everything's working. We'll press the lock button while it's open, and that sounds a lot more powerful, and the yellow beeping and flashing went away. Now we're ready to put the back on, snap it in place, and we are ready to go. Hope that helps you out. Thanks for watching.